So now what we're going to do is we're going to put Little Red Riding Hood on the path coming towards us. So I'm going to start out, I'm going to draw her higher up to look like she's kind of further away. So I'm going to do an oval for her head, and I can go ahead and fill that in. But then she's called Little Red Riding Hood because she was wearing a red cape with a red hood. So I'm going to draw a shape of her red hood going around her head. So it's almost like a curvy triangle. And then let's see. I need to do the shape of her cape. I'm trying to switch crayons here because I felt like that was looking a little more purple than red. Apparently, I've hidden all my red crayons. There we go. So then the shape of her cape would actually cover her body. So that's kind of nice because it saves me a lot of work time. So this is going to go around her body. And then here's the split where she has it closed. And then I should have her legs. If she's walking down the path, I'm going to put one pointing this way. So I'm going to use like a rectangle. And I'm going to put the other one pointing the other way. I'm going to go ahead and fill that in. Maybe she's wearing some brown shoes, so I'm going to do ovals to be her feet. Then I'm going to need to color in her cape. Oh, I switched to that purple red again, so I'm going to cover that up. So let's see. Filling this in on this side. Now I can tell that's a person, can't quite tell who it is. So I might need to go back in and draw the shape of her face. So there's her eyes, her nose, and her mouth. And I want it to look like she's carrying a basket. That was part of the story. The whole reason she's going through the woods is she's carrying this basket of goodies to Grandma's house. Maybe Grandma is in quarantine and she has to leave the basket on the porch. Either way, it's got stuff that's going to help Grandma feel better. So there's her basket overlapping her cape. So now it appears she's walking down the path. Now we know there's a little element of danger in the story. So what we're going to do next is we're going to be adding in the wolf. So I'm going to give you guys time to put her in there. If you're still working on adding things into the woods, into the setting, you can of course do that.